Hello, so today we're going to make some chicken curry and we're going to thaw some chicken so we can cut them up later. And we're going to start out with our onions. We're going to cut them in half and then we're going to cut them up into slices so that we get a good decent amount. Now beforehand I made some garlic paste, which I'm going to throw in the end, but it just adds some garlic flavor. I also made some chili paste, which I also throw in the end, but this actually gives your spice, not the peppers themselves. Now we're going to start cooking the onions down just a little bit before we throw our curry leaves and our Thai chilies in. Now, you're going to cut your Thai chilies in half and then throw away the stems. Now, curry leaves are not actually curry, they're just called that, and curry leaves are the reason why this meal is called chicken curry. We do not actually throw curry in this meal. Now, we're going to throw our curry leaves and Thai chilies in there once the onions are cooked a little bit, and now we're going to brown them. Once the onions are browned, we're going to add our seeds. I put some cumin seeds and some mustard seeds, even some celery seeds for fun, and just whatever else I thought would go well in there. Now, once you put your seeds inside, then we're going to put some seasonings. We got some red chili powder, some turmeric powder, and also some masala. Masala is the main flavor of this dish. And once we put it all in, we're going to mix it all around, and then we're going to add our chicken. We're going to chop our chicken into chunks. Now, once you put your chicken in, it's going to make a nice broth. And by the way, I'm putting this whole entire recipe down in the description below. But we're also putting in links to where I get all the spices and seeds and all that stuff. Now, we're going to put some tamarind paste in a bowl and mix it with some water. Preferably more water than you see here, but that's okay. And it's going to make the broth a little richer. And now we're going to get started on the rice. Now the rice you're supposed to cook before you start, but I forgot. So there you go. Now, what I did personally is I put some turmeric inside because I like the color personally, but it also helps with inflammation. Just a fun fact for you. Now we're gonna let the chicken curry just keep cooking, and once it's pretty much cooked, we're gonna add our garlic paste with our Thai chili paste. Now the Thai chili paste, you add as much as you can handle, and that's actually going to spice your chicken curry. And while you're balancing the spice, you're also going to balance your salt about now. Now put a little less than you would actually like, because once it actually simmers down, the salt is going to come out more. So just that tip for you. Balance your salt and your spice, and now we got our rice coming along, and there you have it. We got our chicken curry. I'd like to give credit to our wonderful neighbors, Darmin and Vanita. They taught me how to make this meal. And if you little bell, thank you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed.